So good morning everyone. Further we'll be going with supply chain operations, how it is carried out, how it is supplied. The time horizon taken here, it is weekly or daily basis. So here in this phase the companies make decision based on the individual customer's order. So supply chain configuration here it is fixed and planning policies are already defined. So the goals of supply chain operation is to handle incoming customers orders in the best possible manners. So in this phase, inventory or production to individual order, set a date by which an order is to be filled, generate pick list at the warehouse, allocate an order to a particular shipping mode, set delivery schedules of trucks, and place replenishment of orders. Operational decisions are being made in the short term. There is uncertainty about the demand information. So the given constraints established by the configuration and planning policies. So in this operation phase of supply chain, inventory is set, production is scheduled, order it is filled, all individual needs so many products. So at the warehouse they'll select the pick list from where they are supposed to pick based on the warehouse placed at the main points, so that accessibility to the delivery it becomes easy. So operational decisions are made in a very short term. So here the goals during the operation phase is to exploit the reduction of uncertainty and optimize performance. The design, planning and operation of a supply chain have a strong impact on the overall profitability and success. So Walmart and 7-Eleven Japan have attributed to their effective supply chain design, planning and operations. Why they are attributed means every time, every day their decisions is taken on weekly basis, monthly basis or yearly basis according to need. So time by time they will be changing based on the market scenario, so that the supply chain operation it is managed to the maximum extent. So if you go with the extended supply chain management, in the block diagram what you see is there will be ultimate supplier, company, customer and ultimate customer. So for all the things there will be a service provider. So there is interaction between each stage and there will be negotiation with each other at each stage. At last with the service provider, all the persons are going to interact with the service provider, because the product has to be improved means they have to take the feedback from the particular customer, otherwise product development cannot happen. So like this extended supply chain works. So who are the producers? Producers are one, they are known as manufacturer, they make a product. This includes company that produces raw material and companies that are producers of finished goods. So producers of raw materials are organizations that mine for materials, drill for oil and gas and cut timber. It also includes organizations that farm the land, raise animals or catch seafoods. Producers of finished goods use raw materials and sub-assemblies made by other products to create their products. Distributor are the one that will be taking product from the company. So inventory in bulk from producer and deliver a bundle of related product lines to the customer. So distributor are also known as wholesalers. They will take the product from the company and distribute to the customer. So they fulfill the time and place where they are going to deliver the product. So like this they will be able to act in between the company and the customer, so that they'll be able to give the product to the customer at the right time. So in between that, inventory management, warehouse operation, product transportation, all activities will be carried out. So distributor can also be an organization that only brokers a product between the producer and the customer and never takes the ownership of that product. So they take only the distributorship as a function. So needs of the customer evolve and range of the available product changes. So the distributor is the agent that continually tracks customer needs and matches them with the product available. So in the extended supply chain, here you can see product designer and market research will come. So in between all the distribution between the raw material to the end product, so there will be logistic provider, finance provider, and business customer will be there. So interaction, you can see it happens with respect to all people, so that the customer satisfaction is the main motto of following the extended supply chain.